everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture of Discrete Mathematics, chapter number 1, set theory. So in this chapter we have the three main points. First one is the set, second one is the function, and third one is the counting. So let's start the set theory. Okay. So what is the set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. That means what? A library is a collection of books. Classroom is a set of chairs. Class is a set of students. Okay, so this type of the example depends on your set. Okay, so in this chapter we have the different types of the sets, different types of the operation depends on the set. So first one is the n, capital N. So capital N is equal to what? Capital N is the set of the natural numbers. So capital N is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Got it? Next one is the I, set of integers. Okay, so here we write here we write the -2, -1, 0 up to 1, 2 and infinite. Okay, next is the W. So what is the meaning of the W? W is the set of the whole numbers. Okay, so here we write the 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. Okay, so what is the difference between capital N and the W? Okay, so here capital N is starting from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, and W is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. Okay, next one is the Q. Q is equal to set of the rational numbers. Okay, so here we write x such that x is equal to p divided by q, where p comma q belongs to I. Okay, and q not equal to 0. Okay, this is the set of the rational numbers. Next one is the real number r. Okay, so here r is equal to x such that x is equal to a plus b root p. Okay, so what do you mean by the a plus b root p? That means what? Here a comma b belongs to q. Okay, and here p belongs to q plus, that means the positive number. Okay, next one is the C, the set of the complex number. So here x is such that x is equal to a plus ib. Got it? Here a comma b belongs to r and I is equal to root minus 1. So this is the important sets, you are already known it, and the set of the natural numbers, I the set of the integers, W set of whole numbers. Here this is we write the Z plus. Okay, the other one is the, sorry, W is Z plus. Okay, Q the set of the rational numbers, R set of the real numbers, and C set of the complex number. Okay, so here one point is very important. The point is that n subset W, W subset I subset Q, Q subset R, and R subset C. That means the natural number subset of the whole number is a subset of the integers subset of the rational numbers subset of the real numbers, and real numbers subset of the complex number. Okay, so this is the basic definition according to sets. Some introduction depends on the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. Okay, next one is that we have the two types of the set form of the set. Okay, first one is the roster form and second one is the set builder form. Okay, roster form, that means first one is roster form. Okay, roster form, that means what? We have the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here x is such that x is equal to. So x belongs to capital N. So yes, correct. This is the roster form. And what do you mean by the builder form? builder form, the other name is the property form. Okay, so here the set builder form, that means set builder form. That means what? For example, we are given in a set. Okay, we are given in a set A is equal to, okay, x such that x square minus 4 is equal to 0, and where x belongs to R. Okay, so we are given in a set, but this is a what? This is a set builder form. That means we put the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Okay, so here we are given in the equation. Equation is what? Equation is x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so and x belongs to R. So what is the real number? Real number is a plus b into p. A comma b belongs to q, and p belongs to q plus. Okay, so here we put if we put here x is equal to 2, for example, so 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and if we put x is equal to minus 2, so also we get minus 2 square minus 4 is equal to 0. That means what? If we put x is equal to 2 and minus 2. Okay, so this equation is satisfied. That means we put x is equal to 2. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And if we put x is equal to minus 2, so minus 2 square, that means plus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means what? This equation is satisfied if we put x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 2. Got it? So here A is equal to what? The set is 2 minus 2. Okay, so this is the form of the roster form. That means we are given in any set. But this is the form of the set builder form. That means we are given in any condition and we use this condition and map the set. Okay, so this is the basic examples, or we can say that the basic definitions according to your roster form and the set builder form. Okay, next one is the what is a subset, what is a superset. Okay, so subset, that means what? If we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is a set A, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here 2, 3, 4. Obviously, here A have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements, and here B 2, 3, 4. So we write here B subset A. Why? Because of the elements of B included in the elements of A. Or you can say that elements of B present in the elements of A. Set of A. Okay, so B subset A. So B is a subset and A is equal to what? A is superset. Okay, so this is the types of the subset and the superset. So next set is the equality of sets. That means what? Two sets are equal. Okay, so if two sets A and B, if two sets A and B are equal, if A subset B and B subset A. Okay, then we can say that the set A is equal to set B. Okay, next one is the null set. So the other name is empty set or void set. That means what? The set having no element. So we can say that the null set or empty set or void set. Okay, so for example, we have A is equal to, for example, x such that x square plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, set is what? Set is we consider x A is equal to x such that x square plus 4 is equal to 0, and here x belongs to R. That means what? We consider the value of x, okay, including in the real number set, and we put here and solve this equation and we get the 0. Okay, so here if we put 2 or minus 2, but here this is the plus sign. So if we put plus 2, so 4 plus 4 8, and if we put minus 2, so 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. That means what? Here, because of here we write here the square sign, so every negative value we consider in the positive sign. Okay, so here a is equal to what? 5. Okay, that means what? This is the null set or the empty set or the void set. You can set it anyone. Next one is the Cartesian product. So what do you mean by the Cartesian product? So Cartesian product is defined by the E cross B. Got it? So E cross B is equal to what? We write here small a comma small b. So here A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. That means we use here the ordered pair. Okay, so what do you mean by the ordered pair? That means we write here A cross B. That means what? First element belongs to first set and the second element belongs to second set. Okay, so for example that if we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Three elements and capital B is equal to A comma B. Got it? So what is the A cross B? So A cross B is equal to what? A cross B is equal to, first we write 1 comma A, 1 comma B. Got it? This is the ordered pair. First element is from set A and the second element is from set B. Okay, next one is the 2 comma A and 2 comma B. Got it? That means first element included in the set 1 first and second element included belongs to set B. Okay. Third one is the 3 comma A and 3 comma B. Okay. So here we have 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. So here we have total 6 number of elements in the set A cross B. That means we can say that this is the Cartesian product and the process is what? Process is the ordered pair. Okay. In case 1 comma B. For example, 1 comma B belongs to A cross B. Yes, exactly. Because of 1 belongs to capital A. Yes, 1 belongs to capital A. B belongs to capital B. Obviously, B belongs to capital B. Okay. But in case we write here B comma 2 belongs to A cross B. No, this is not belongs to. Why? Because of what is the meaning? Meaning is that first at set, the first element belongs to set A. But here set A consider the 1, 2, 3 elements and B is the elements of the set B. Okay, so this is not the element of A cross B, or you can say that not belongs to A cross B. Okay. Next one is the power set. So what do you mean by the power set? So if capital S is any set, okay, then set of all subset of S, that means listen carefully, S is any set, then set of all subset of S is called the power set of S and is denoted by PS. Okay, so what do you mean by the power set? Power set is, for example, we have S is equal to 1, 2 and 3. We have the three elements. Capital S is equal to 1, 2, 3. So what is the power set? Power set, that means what? The set of all subset of S. Okay, that means the power set, that means what? PS is equal to what? First one is 5 and set itself is also a subset of S. Okay, so 5. First one is, first set is 1, second set is 2, third set is 3. Got it? Next set is 1 comma 2. Next set is 1 comma 3. Next is 2 comma 3. Next one is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total number of elements is equal to what? That means you can select the subset. So first we find out all the subset of set S. Okay, so first we find all the subset of the set S and after that we write here all the subset in again a set form. That means here first we find out the subset of S, after that we write here in the set form. Okay, so this is the power set. So one point is very important. According to power set is equal to what? The power set is the elements of the power set is equal to 2 raised to the power n. Elements of the power set, that means what? 2 and is equal to number of elements. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 number of elements. So we write here 2 raised to the power 3. So total 8. So here check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In case we have the set as is equal to 2 elements, 1 and 2 for example. So what is the total number of elements in the power set of S? Exactly 2 raised to the power 2. That means 4. Okay. So this is the different types of the sets. That means the equal sets, null sets, Cartesian product. We use here the ordered pair, and next one is the power set. So power set is very important because of first you find out the all the subset of the given set, and after that all the subsets you write here in the set form. So this is your power set. And if we find out the total number of elements in the power set, so formula is what? 2 raised to the power n. N is equal to what? Number of elements in set A or S given according to your question. Okay, so all these definitions are very important because of null sets and power sets are very important according to your next lecture. So I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this.